Coming at you. D-Roo here for you. Gonna go down the Big Turtle Trail, Fox River. Check out this. See what we can find. Special cave. $424.23. Let's go. Nice big tree. Cool stuff over there. Oh, sweet, another map. The Blue Lotus. Interesting. Some books in there. Cool books. Radio. Oh. Check that. Trail, sweet. Big Turtle Trail. Get on up. Oh. Wherever you go, there you are. Oh. Yes, that is correct. Sort of. I think the actual north is like that way. Oh. D-Roo. That'd be cool if we find a big turtle hiding in there. Big turtle. Big turtle. Oh, I hear rustling in the bushes. Maybe we'll spot a turtle. Oh, I thought we were going for the Dolomite. Sweet. Thought we were going for the Turtle Trail. Oh, that way. Oh, good news. That way to the Big Turtle Trail. The D-Roo Trail. We'll find out, supposedly. Boo-bo. I think that's the way out. We're going to the D-Roo. Hopefully to find the cave, the D-Roo cave. Find some good things. Dang, this tree's a big one. You can hear those Jesus birds going, hey, look, what's this, a nail? You push your buttons? I like to call them Jesus birds. Oh, wait, left or right? Better go right. Oh, bent tree. Good news, bent tree. This is the bent tree. Here we go. That means we go that way. But not yet. Check out. Just gotta kind of sneak up. I was already too loud. I like it. Alright, sneak up on the little buggers. I didn't eat turtles. See a turtle, hopefully. Probably will be in the water on a sunny day, basking on a warm rock. Oh, wow, this is a big river. Oh, we got ducks. Dude, it's not a duck. It's a nice big old mother goose. It's a mother goose. The sun's shining on a beautiful day. Oh, we got some wildlife critters. Check out the bird. That's a nice bird. Nice bird. Sweet. Alright. Jesus, give me a flying nimbus. Oh yes. Probably some form of man-made island. Moving on. Didn't see any big old turtles hanging out. Not really much of a basking spot down there for them. Did you see them? Did you see them? Yes. 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 Yes, I won. I've seen them all here. Sweet. That's great. Oh, wow. This is amazing. I love how there's no fishing right here, though. I mean, this would be a really good spot to fish, I think, but gotta keep some of it preserved, you know. Sweet spot for the fish to chill. Hey, look at this. Chief D-Roo. Many people believe in you. It's actually, I would have to believe that the shape of the fox, his face, is similar to the shape of a star fork shape. And so, like, I would think there's a lot of Starfordy type structures around here. Let's look into. Oh, there's a nice cliff. I'll just zoom in on it. Should we get over there and check it out and abandon the turtle trail? Look at that. Nice rock formation. We'll go over there real quick since we saw it. All right. Yep. Thanks. Thanks, Chain of Lakes. Chain O Lakes. Butter. Smooth like butter. Soft like cream. Float like a butterfly. Sting like a... Off the trail. Oh. Found an anomaly. Although I think that's from fishing gear. Let's see what we got here. So I just want to check out those rocks I spotted. Gotta get down there. I guess I'll jump on the trail. Alright, we gotta get back to the turtle trail though. Check the battery. It's getting kind of low. I just want to see the rocks over there. Oh, that's cool. That ain't it. Oh, wow. Good. Camp out for the evening here. Must be a 10. Sweet. Oh, pardon me. Pass him already? Right to the spot. Oh, cool. We have our beginning. That is. Nice level. Nice levels here. Check it out, bro. Oh, yeah. Brothers and sisters. Climbing down the rooted wall here. So we get a good view. Let me get down so you can see it better. You know, die train. Hold on to those. Oh, oh. Hold on. Hold on to something. Wow, that's nice. That's nice. All right, here's the formation I saw. I think this is what we saw from the bridge over there. Where I was like, whoa! Hey, what's going on over here? All right, so you see that brick? I'm gonna go stand on that concrete. Oh, that's concrete. Okay, cool. Oops. A little dump. Oh, would you believe it? Water's coming out through trickling. We found the water table. All right, so look. Oh, that's cool. Beautiful shell. Thank you for the shell. That's the sign we needed. So we found the D-roo hole. Probably one of many. Got these beautiful roots. I love it. Let's get some of these. Climb the roots so we could see the roots a little better. This one right here, this big wad of trees growing out with their intertangled roots covering the wreckage. What's inside the hole? I want to look. What's in some down here? And the roots. I don't know why the water's trickling out of here. This is amazing. Look, this is solid. I'm gonna hold on to that one. That's a good root. Nice double knob. All right. Oh, see. Get yourself bubbling brook here. Mini waterfall. D-roo style. Little Andy. Love you. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Let the D-roo find them for you. So we tapped into some fresh water. It's really amazing. Coming out of here, so you can see the flow. Stir it up. Pretty clean. I'd love to just be back to how we used to be. We lived from the earth. Now we live from TV. Back to boots on the ground. It's a nice chunk. Nice chunk. The root also. Deep root from here all the way down into the river. All the way up. Nourish. Beautiful tree. Right. Let's get back up to the trail. I want to take the big turtle trail. Get to the cave. Hurry up, because I don't have much. I don't have much battery life. But this is so beautiful. This little waterfall is treasured in my heart. Oh, there's. See him? Did he fly away? Thought I saw the bird. Here's just. Be still and know. The Lord will take care of you. Boots on the moat. Deru in training. Here we go. Thanks again for the clamshell. You're a good luck sign. Very good, buddy. Alright. Now to climb. Here we go. One more look at the interesting hole in the rocks. Pull myself up a little. Sorry. There you go. See what you got in there. Freaking awesome. Oh, dangleberry. This is great. There's been some algae in there. Oh, there's a lot of bugs. I'm out of here. I saw there's just a big horde of gnats. Here's the D root. Not the broke down. There you go. Question. Answer. All right, there's the little platform overlooking the river. Cool. I suppose. Right. Oh man. Don't want to narrate the people in front of me. Take a quick little breather by the bent tree. Ooh, nice. Nice. I like that. Nice. Right. Still got Mother Goose down there, keeping an eye on things. So we got beautiful. More rocks here. Cool. Looking concretey down there. It looks like concrete a little bit down there. Yeah. Alright, back to the cave. Let's find out. Proper zoom. Alright. Good luck. Good luck. Buddy. Distracted. Look good distracted. Come on, there you are. Like the buddy of the woodpecker. I gotta keep moving. Another. Sweet. Something like that.
Head southwest on Illinois 25 South, South River Street toward Ridge Road.
Oh, that thing's still on? Nice. Keep going. Nice. All right. Mr. Robin. You know, if you follow enough bent trees, you'll find something cool, hopefully. Oh, this is the biggest tree I've ever seen in my life. Oh, wow, this thing's awesome. Flip the screen for a second here. Great news. Well, if you ever wonder what these things are for, you know, just start to practice your, you know, get your kung fu on there. You're into that type of thing. Side note, sorry about that. It is a nice, I like that one. It's a nice post. I'm gonna come back here. Anyway, so double. Nice. Right. Another nice. Nice big tree. Hopefully we're there. Hopefully. Where are you gonna go? To the D-Roo. Take the other way. The better way. Epic. Thank you for the D-Roo. Anomalous looking stone. Oh, that's super light. Yo, dude, it's so light. You think it's a brick? You think it's a brick? This is so light. Compared to this, like, huge granite looking stone. It's like, pretty cool. Take a look back. Okay. Hold on a second. Oh, there's another one. What's that? It's wood. That one's wood. This one feels like petrified wood. It's hard. Alright, check it out. See what happens. I'm gonna actually try to break this one. So, something going on over there. Something going on over there in the water, like a little whirlpool. Go look. Put the stone down. A fake stone. Whatever that is. It's like, hold on, look. It's a cooked out brick, bro. Don't make stuff like that. Cooked out brick. There you go. Let's go see what's going on in the water over here. I think we have some natural koi spawning. Just gotta creep up on them. Little whirlpool. Oh, they're babies. I saw a fish. Hey, babies. Mommy and Daddy. This is cool. Alright, I found the cave, you guys. Let's go this way. Such a nice mound. It's so beautiful. Yes.
It's an early bird.
Yes. So we're gonna get our camera on. Get the camera. Oh, it doesn't work. Just keep. Is it on? Oh, that's what. Nice. Very cool. Wow. Dude. Coming at you from the D-rail. Very interesting. Very interesting, buddy. Just a crumble piece that came off. Nice. What else you got? Wow, this is crazy rocks. Oh, where it's burnt out. It looks kind of burnt out. I mean, if this was my cave, I'd be chilling. Yeah. Really. I didn't even mean to flip the screen. It's cool. I want to though. It's like a lotus. Oh, so beautiful. Somebody put one in here. I smell it. It's nice. Perfect draft in here. Show you what I'm talking about in a second. Big hole, little hole, airflow. Got your perfect air conditioning in here, natural air conditioning system. The Turtle Deru Cave. Coming at you from Fort Dero. Alright. See, I picked mine up. Someone else left a sign though. A sign that says, "Stop in here and chill for a while." Ah, thank you. Now we spotted the natural koi. In the Deru world, nature comes to you. I think you Lord. And so now we have a mysterious cave buddy. Good day, Mr. Guardian Spider. There we go. Nice. Alright. Obviously, the fire goes on this side where the blackness is. You can tell it's cooked out a little bit. Algae live still when it's green. Always. Life goes on. Let's keep going. Check out this glass. Yeah. Thank you. Beautiful fish feeding on the surface. Alright, let's go up the trail a bit. I mean, down the trail. Go down the trail. Oop, don't fall down on the trail. Oh, yes. I love how it's like kind of slanted too. It's like not level. But parts of it inside seem to be level, but this part's like slanting down now. Slanting towards the... Oh, that's a fine piece. Oh, it's so long. Wow. That's nice. Sure. Dried algae. Okay. Dried algae. Looks like that. It's nice. Cool spot. You know, when the river's full, probably have some juicy catfish lurking in them holes. Alright, but I don't think the river floods that deep anymore. We got this trail, so Deru at the root. Check it out. Nice. Look at this. Oh, is that a break or do the roots break everything? Yeah. Roots do some of the work for you. Oof. Nice. Wishy-washy soil here. It's like, dude. You got soil. Nice. Okay. Those look great. Nice. Boulders, truth. Where did you go? Show me your pretty wings. Show me those pretty wings. There you go. Nice. Beautiful. Oh, I love you. Pardon me. Looks like a skipping stone to me. Or something else you could throw. give her a whirl. Sean Rogan. Nope, didn't skip. Thing was kind of bulky. I'm gonna check out this lucky tree. This thing's looking sweet. The D-rose. Wow, look at that. Goes around like that. This one looks, oh, it's part of it, you know it. Yes. It's her tail. She's got a nice little tail. Ooh. Baby. Got some fish islands up in this. Ooh. In there. Oh, nice. What was that? I'm in there. Nice angle. He's got the deep root right there. Laying down the deep root. Sheesh. There we go. That's nice. I think this might have used to have been a wood bench. Epic moss growth over there. This stuff is called lichens growth, similar to mold. Oh, look, it's really light and fluffy. Oh, yeah, that's lichens, I believe. Sweet vertical roots, boom, climbing up. Good job, tree. Beautiful crevasse right here. The blue lichen. It's amazing. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. It'd be cool to find the turtles. Just want to get a nice, cool turtle. Would be nice. Can't really pick and choose though. All the time when it comes to nature. Oh. Is this the same tree? No, it's different. This one looks like it's been actively crunching down on the, like eating the sandstone or whatever this stone is. Kind of sand. It's like just the tree. Yeah, look at this tree. It's breaking down the rocks. Clever. Nice. Blue lichen sand, maybe? Saw this from the wood munchers. Oh, that's so cool. I think the roots are breaking down the rocks, obviously. Whew. Almost walked right into that mother sucker. Damn. Look at those. Oucharuski. Oh yes, beware. How close I came to walking right into it. Take a level path here for a moment. I want to get off the level path for too much more. So we find something really cool. I'll take those thorns for a warning. These little waves are getting me excited how still it is up in here. This would be the fishing spot. A little bit of foreshadowing. Oh, this is beautiful. I love when this happens. You find the little baby moss. The little baby moss. Yeah, that's so pretty. The baby moss. Look at him. Come on. We love it. Loving that nature. Nature. Love you. Little nature buddy. Yeah, right there by that stump. Little action. Probably fish. Long point down the trail here. It's cool. Funny way to end the road. It's my turtles. Gotta get to that super cool looking island. What are you doing, buddy? You're lucky if you get a little turtle up on these logs, basting in the sun. Oh.